So we have already discussed microservices security problems. We have discussed OR2 flow also, right? How OR2 works here, right? So you can understand this diagram, and again we will understand how it works here. So token plays an important role, right? Here is also the concept of a token, but it is not getting stored into a cookies. So there are two types of token: access token and the refresh token. So when we are talking about the token here, anyone with the valid token can access the protected resources. Protected resources is nothing but your microservices. So usually it is a short-lived, so that even if there is a security breach, the access token is leaked, the damage can be quickly controlled here. So it will be getting expired basically. And when the token expired, developer can use that optional refresh token to request a new access token without having to ask the user to enter their credential again, right? So it will ask to again do a refresh token, and then it can access it here. Now client prompts user to enter their credential, username and password. Then client send that credential to its identification to a authorization server. So here it will send to an authorization server here. And once the authorization server finds out the validate the information, it will issue the access token here, right? And optionally a refresh token also. Then client uses the access token and access the resource on the particularly a resource server here.